Hello everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel World of TREDEC. This is another review in English. I am still excited because I am just practicing my English with these wonderful products. So let's go on to the description. I've got in this case wonderful model from the company HASEGAWA. It's a Japanese company showing in this case the Citation I, commonly known as Charlie 500. So the box art itself is fantastic, as the old aircraft Falcon 10, and the aircraft itself is flying over a kind of island. That's the suggestion of the artist, and again the same artist like the other review I made is Skoike, S-K-O-I-K-E, S-K-O-I-K-E. So I really admire that this kind of the expressions or representations or drawing or paintings, etc. Well, let's see what's on this side. The same name of the aircraft. There's a lot of languages, Japanese, English, but it says contains parts for one model. Paint and glue are not included, with English instructions. Also in German, in French, Italian, Spanish, and Chinese, I think. Made in Japan. This is the Hasegawa address in Japan. What got in this side? On this side, the same cover, the same name. The scale is 148 scale model, 148. USA business jet is the name, extra name. Still confusing me, both references, the 06264 and the VT104 kit number, VT104 2.1600. Okay, I read both. I'm right with both reading. The measurings, model length is 275 millimeters, and the wingspan is 66 millimeters. Number of pieces are 53. So the year of manufacturing is 1995, made in Japan by Hasegawa Corporation Limited. The barcode, and that's it. Let's check it out. What's inside? It's the same thing, just like the Falcon 10. Sorry. Let's start with the building instructions. Fantastic livery with three color stripes, red, black and yellow. The open hatch with the little ladder or steps. The registration is from US. It's November 2200 Romeo. This is a short story of the Citation I, and how to assemble all the pieces inside the cabin, the main cabin, with the big seats for the businessman. This is the galley or the refreshment center. Very interesting decoration inside. We should paint it with a lot of luxury. How to assemble the fuselage halves with the windows, and some details on this side of the cockpit. Let's see what else we got. How to assemble the turbines, the wings, how to assemble the whole things to the main body, and something very interesting, very special is the windscreen. It's part of fuselage, it's part windscreen, so we have to fill it and paint. I didn't do it in my model when I am going to show you later, because I didn't want to do that. I will explain what happened. This is the option with open hatch or closed, with the steps. How to assemble all the landing gear, and this is weird for me. It's a Japanese version. It's a kind of light blue fuselage body, and you have to paint it. No decals for it, but the registration, Japanese registration, Juliet Alpha, is the only one in the decals paper. These are this is the decal shim for the US registration. This is the making a color painting guide. The detail of the stripes on the turbine. It's very difficult to apply because it's got double curve surface. It's not easy to apply. I will show you on the model already built. The US registration, as I said before, the other side with how to place the exact area of the stripes, the top view, and the bottom view with mixed colored anti-freezing chrome with black, because this jet is not flying so high. So that's the reason why they are mixing two kind of anti-freezing. Clear blue on the right wing, and clear red on the left wing. They are navigation lights. The sprues, all the sprues here, 4 sprues with the fuselage and all the parts. And this one is the transclear elements for the windscreen. So as the same thing on the Falcon 10, the sprues are completely used. I'm going to show you how the decals, the original decals paper, looked like. I reproduced it because I didn't. I wanted to describe how the stripes were oriented or drawn in the surface. Very interesting, this manner of including in the paper the US registration, the doors, etc. Let's see the model already built. I will show you with a lot of mistakes I made. So One of the reasons of this review is that what not to do when you have to paint them. I didn't paint it. I just polished the original plastic, white plastic. The aircraft looks good, but a lot of mistakes. One of them is I didn't paint it. This is the plastic, original plastic, and you see a kind of beam or a line of the junction line, and it's got kind of yellow because of the glue. So that's bad, completely bad. And the other mistake is I didn't fill and sand the joint of the windscreen to the fuselage, and it looks so different. This is a different white, and it's looking different than this. So, well, I did that way. So sorry, as that's for enthusiasm or not being a great modeler at the beginning. So well, you see how it looks like the stripes on the turbines. It's so excellent, very interesting. The registration, the U.S. registration numbers, and well, that's it. Let's see what we got inside under the aircraft. The same problem. I didn't fill it or paint it, so you will see a lot of lines, yellowed lines, because of the glue. So sorry for that, but this is a great example of what not to do with painting models. Okay, the interesting thing is to see part of the interior with the open hatch and the steps. That's very interesting. So I will spin it around a little bit. Okay. Spinning. It looks like good with the mistakes I explained, but that's great. That's great for to show an example with the drawbacks and the other things. But anyway, you will see. You are seeing this. You are watching this. I'm being sincere with all the mistakes. So anyway, let's see how it looks like on the ground. I will show you again the original box, because I'm finishing the review. Well, this is all I've got about this Cessna Citation I from Hasegawa, 1/48 scale model. And let's go on to the next review. Sorry for any mistake about the aircraft, but that's the interesting thing about the reviews. So let's go on to the next review. See ya, buddy.